Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson, and the name of the lesson is The Merchant and His 12 Assistants. Children, in this story we will learn how self-confidence and courage help us to fight in adverse conditions. The Merchant and His 12 Assistants is a story of a merchant who faces odd situation with his confidence and bravery. So let us read this story and understand the moral hidden in this story. Once there was a merchant. He used to sell grains. He would go from village to village to buy grains. Then he would sell the grains in the city. One day he was going to the nearby village to buy the grains. He had to pass through a dense forest. While he was walking slowly, four thieves popped out of nowhere. They threatened him, "Give us all that you have, else you will not be able to get out of here alive." Children, there was a merchant who was doing business of selling and purchasing of grains. One day, when he was passing through the overcrowded forest, four thieves attacked on him and threatened him to surrender all his belongings, otherwise they will kill him. The merchant thought, "If I am not brave now, I shall not be able to leave the forest alive." So he roared loudly like a lion. "What do you think? I am not alone. I am traveling with 12 more assistants." Children, merchant was a wise and confident person. He roared like a lion on thieves and said he is not alone in the forest. He had 12 more assistants with him. Saying this, he took his bags and started to hit the thieves one by one. When one of the thieves was hit on the head, he fell down and blood oozed out of his forehead. Children, saying this, he started hitting the thieves and badly hit it on the head of one thief. Seeing that blood is coming out of one of the thief's forehead, his other companion got scared and ran away. The merchant yelled, "You came to steal my things. Where are you all running, cowards?" Saying this, the merchant said, "You came to take all my things, but now you are running, you are leaving this ground. So you all are cowards." Then he brushed his clothes and continued the journey. He finished his work in the other village and returned back to his home at night. He told his wife and daughter about the incident that had happened with him in the forest. His wife praised him for his braveness, and his daughter asked him, "Father, where are your 12 assistants?" "Oh, they are still with me right now," said the merchant. He then continued, "My 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and 4 metallic weights in my bag make 10. The remaining 2 strong assistants are my bravery and my self-confidence. Without these 2 strong assistants, the other 10 are useless. My dear child, I could easily surrender to the thieves, but I was confident that if I show courage, then I can save my life. So that is just what I did. Children, when the merchant returned home and shared this incident with his wife and daughter, the merchant's daughter was inquisitive and she wanted to know 12 assistants of his father. Children, you will surprised to know that his 12 assistants were 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 2 metallic weights, and bravery and self-confidence in him, which helped him to defeat the obstacle that came in his path. So children, God has given all of us a beautiful body and a beautiful mind. All of us have some other potentials which make us unique. Try to find out these potential. It will enhance your personality and you will surely help to achieve your goal. This was the story of merchant and 12 assistants. Children, hope you all have understood this story. Read this lesson and learn the word meaning of this lesson. Thank you and have a good day.